in an effort to give back to our community and use Airsoft as a tool of healing. Airsoft Megastore is proud to announce our sponsorship of New Life Adaptive Sports. New Life Adaptive Sports exists to support the physically challenged community using airsoft and paintball to promote team building skills and communication skills. Sometimes with a disability comes an enormous loss of freedom. Airsoft Megastore and New Life Adaptive Sports are dedicated to giving that freedom back. In association with Montgomery Sporting Goods and Paintball, Helen Hayes Hospital, and Fusion Grahpix, together we are making a difference one person at a time. For more information on New Life Adaptive Sports, look down in the description below, and thanks for watching.